And here's the behind the scenes at nighttime at Sandric Cemetery. Here's the hearse. A view you won't see from the street or from the other side of the hunt. Skeletons pushing it, and the other skeleton glowing green, pulling it, and inside the hearse glows red. It's pretty cool. It's just enough red to accent the blue. As you can see, sorry for the glare, but shows you the lights pointing the house in the cemetery. And behind the scenes is the blue LED floodlights on top. And the red accent, as you can see. So slowly make my way. Pinned behind that tombstone, goes over, hits the groundbreaker, and then hits Rodney the caretaker. And here is Peaker, the green accent light, and those white solar lights. There's a hearse from the other side, that red, and then I have this solar light. Like I said, they also charge by USB, so if you don't get enough sun, you can charge them. And it's amazing because the blue washes it out, and if you don't have a light on it, say I covered up, it's all blue, but then you got the accent, it just gives it a different dynamic. Just all blue, then there going horizontally just gives it better detail. Same with this one. Nice. Right here. Different. See? Sorry about the neighbor. See? The accent it gives on stuff from the side. See? It's amazing the difference it does. Sorry about the neighbor's dog went by and saw me move and it started freaking out. And the cool thing is I have that light on Susie. She gives off a very good shadow, casts a nice shadow on the house. That's not even when the spotlight is on her. Now it's on her and it gets really bright. Look at that. And then the shadows from the skeleton on the hearse and the other skeleton. Pretty cool. And there's the lights from the side. And then from back here you can see that flickering effect, like when when it goes off you can tell the difference on Susie there. There it's flickering off. And then about 5 seconds it'll come back on full. And you'll see the different color it gives. I mean, it's a good contrast. And the skeleton, the tombstone, and you see a groundbreaker there with that the solar light that I had on and showed you the difference. And the hearse, the skeleton, you can see it. And of course, there's Peaker, the green accent light, and then the one back there on that tombstone and the skeleton, all solar accent lights, and then the red one. Goes from there and it really brings out that groundbreaker on the side horizontally. And same with this one. I got the white light there and the skeleton to kind of light him up. And then down on Rodney so it doesn't go up on his face, but gets his body just enough of his face, and the red light still is enough. And here I have another white light. This one's electric. It shines on that ghost, and it also goes on that skeleton there. You can see on the head. Looks like something kind of messed with that a little bit, but gives it good contrast. Because here I'll stand in front, and it turns all blue, and it kind of hides away in the back. But with the white, you can definitely tell. And here's my scarecrow crew and my pumpkin skeleton at night with the orange lights, and then a motion sensor light in the back. I had to put this plastic fence up for a border so kids don't go in there Sometimes parents like to take pictures and then they go in there and as my camera loses focus, sorry. But they sometimes go in there not knowing and they step on it. Here's a good side pan of it from kind of behind the scenes on the side. The garage door will be open, but it'll be dark with strobes and stuff in there and fog with the wedge. And that's what it looks like. Still more corn stalk to put up. But all in all, that's kind of behind the scenes tour. And also I forgot to put, I've got lightning up there I do not have on. I normally put that on the weekends. That flickers to a thunder and lightning theme. I also have YouTube on that. So thanks for watching. See ya.